In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whiten teeth in Photoshop. Whether you're a seasoned Photoshop user or just starting out, this tutorial is going to help you enhance your portraits with a brighter, more confident smile. So let's jump right in and get started with the process. First, you'll need to open your image in Photoshop. Start by launching the software and selecting the image you'd like to edit. This will be our base layer, and everything we do will be built upon this foundation. It's important to work non-destructively, which means we'll make changes that can easily be adjusted or undone without affecting the original image. Next, to ensure that we're working non-destructively, we'll duplicate our base image. To do this, simply right-click on the layer in the Layers panel and select Duplicate Layer. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac. This step ensures that if we make any errors, we can always revert to our original image without hassle. Once our image is duplicated, it's time to add a new layer. Now, why do we need a new layer? This new layer will eventually hold all the brushing and adjustments we're about to make. To add a new layer, click the New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. It will appear above your duplicated layer. And remember, keeping your workspace organized helps a lot in Photoshop. Now let's focus on the brush tool. You'll want to select the brush tool from the toolbar, which usually appears on the left side of the screen. With the brush tool selected, it's time to choose a color. In this case, select white from the color palette. As you might guess, this color will highlight and brighten the teeth. Also, make sure to use a soft brush by adjusting the hardness setting to around 0%. This ensures smooth transitions and a natural look. Next up, opacity. We don't want the whiteness to stand out as too stark, so reducing the opacity of our brush is crucial. Lower the opacity to around 20%, which allows us to apply the effect gradually and maintain a more realistic appearance. With our settings in place, hover over the teeth in your image and begin brushing lightly. Carefully stroke over the teeth to apply the whitening effect. You may need to zoom in to assure precision and steady control as you brush. Remember, it's always better to apply lightly and progressively than to make the image look unnatural by overdoing it. These straightforward steps will help you brighten up any smile, enhancing your portraits magnificently. Keep practicing with different images to get a feel for what works best, and you'll soon be a pro at whitening teeth in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.